how to track steps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to track your daily steps using your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your settings to enable the fitness tracking. Scroll down and go to privacy and security, and then scroll down here and go to motion and fitness. Now toggle on the fitness tracking. So motion and fitness tracking stores data on your device that can be used to estimate your body motion, mobility, steps count, and then stairs climbed. So toggle this on and make sure that the health app is toggled on as well, or you can use other external steps tracking app as well, and then come back. Now I recommend using the default fitness app on iPhone, that is Health. You just need to log in with your Apple ID and then scroll down, and there you can see steps. Just open it up, and you can see it automatically tracks all the steps that you have taken each day. You can see of any day. You can switch to month as well. You can see your 6 months data, your yearly data, and more. So this is how you can track the steps on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.